F35 Lightning II. It's a family of single-seat, single-engine, fifth-generation multi-role fighters that are designed to perform ground attack, reconnaissance, and air defense missions with stealth capabilities. F-35 has three main models. The F-35A employs conventional takeoff and landing. The B version will be used for short takeoff and vertical landings, and the C will be carrier-based. F-35 models are intended to provide the bulk of tactical air power for the U.S. Air Force, Marine Corps, and Navy over the coming decades. So you heard that right, it does vertical landings. And I'm pretty sure I've seen this video on YouTube, and I've seen maybe not this particular plane falling from the air into the ocean trying to vertical land. That's a different story. The technology is cool for a plane to vertically land. The cockpit's a little funky, not gonna lie, it didn't work out well. Sort of kind of fixed, it's fine. Oh, that is a nice looking plane, dude. Oh, 35. It's got the US flag and Britain flag. I like that texturing. Okay. Get all the nice angles. This is definitely a nice desk piece. Oh, a nice desk piece, really, honestly. But I'm into the military ones, to be honest. Natural ones too. Not really the Star Wars helmets. They just don't come out right in my experience. Saw them up. Okay, that's an boom boom. Fix the cockpit. Looks a little better, not much. Here we go. Look at that design and shape, dude. I like it. Now it would be cool if they included one with missiles, and a minigun landing gears would be cool too. It's cool. I like it. Hey, bye.